Pretty sure that's where the knock's coming from. This is the correct size. It's not right. Orient myself correctly here. So it looks like both of the ears of this strut mount completely sheared off. So that's always what you want when you're driving. Good and reliable. Strut mounts are for, I don't know, somebody else. Zip those out quickly. I can get this thing in here. Oh, I think I can. Oh. Oh, there goes one. Ooh, multiple pieces. Wow. Great. That's about it for getting it out. Now on top of this thing, there's going to be a nut. And we're going to have to somehow take it off from here. Problem is the shaft that it's on, which all you probably know already, this spins. So I have to hold on to that somehow and get the nut off the top here. Up here, on top of the blue thing. I don't know if you can see that. I'm blocking the light. There you go, up here.
I lost the video evidence of actually removing the nut at the top, so just do this next part backwards, and then again forwards. Oh yeah, also with the new part. Not the old one, that one's broken.
Okay, force multiplier for the third time. Attempt. Uh-oh. Good. I think we're tight enough. Really hope so. Oh, I think I lost grip on the vice grips again. Oh, that's okay. I think we're as tight as we need to be. All right. Now we need to bring this back into place. Hello. Uh-oh. Oh. Mm-hmm. This right way, ready, steady. Tied it up. Mm-hmm. Is this the wrong size? No, I just took it up. How the... All right. Whoa. Give me the punch. Aha. So the rear passenger knock is gone.
Driver's side.
That took not very long at all. See you guys later.